Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. Do you like burger? So let's draw a burger. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a circle, like this. Now we draw a semicircle under the big circle. Now, we draw some small curve, like that, under the semicircle. And lastly, we draw the last part of burger. Here, we draw some small circle on the top of the burger. It is a junk food, but very tasty food, which we all like. Now it's time to coloring. We use orange color on the top part of the burger. We color it very carefully. Orange color. In the lower part, we use deep green color to remark vegetables. Green color. In the lower part of vegetables, we use yellow color to remark the cheese, which highlight the burger. Yellow color. And the last part, we use orange color to highlight the bread. Orange color. Now our burger drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.